What's going on, everybody? Arty here, Wicked Explorers. It is a beautiful day here in February. It's almost 50-something degrees. So I decided today I'm gonna some time to kill, explore some of in my hometown, plus in Revere, Massachusetts. So currently right now we're walking down what is Shirley Ave, heading to the beach, and we're gonna go check out. Right, we are at our first stop, Sammy's Patio. This was a place we used to go back in when we first turned 21 many years ago. So let's go check it out. I haven't been there in years. Actually, I was trying to do the math. Last time I was there was, I was 21. Almost 38, so 17 years ago. I wanted to let only have a couple pairs. People were so nice in there. They kept buying me drinks. But nothing wrong with that. So very good hospitality. I was just kind of feel bad. I haven't been down there sooner. It looks exactly the way it did back in the day when I used to go there. But yeah, I used to go like Friday and Saturday nights and stuff. So a little bit different, but nevertheless, had a great time. Had a couple beverages. Now, probably have enough time for one more bite. This pub crawl is going to be very short, so I'm going to hit up Bill Ash's right down here, and then maybe have a beer there, and then we'll call it a pub crawl. I wasn't really sure it was a pub crawl, but I wasn't expecting to have a couple of beers and something. So, anyways, let's go. Let's do that. Alright, so St. Masters wasn't as busy as Sammy's, but I did see something I haven't seen in years. Last time I seen one was probably New Orleans, and a lot of those old bars. Was a trough in the men's room, as you just seen. But here's the problem. The trough, if I and another man used that trough, our hips would be rubbing against each other right now. And I don't think that's exactly the way it was meant to be, so that's interesting. So we did two bars. We did Sammy's Patios and Bill Ash's Staples here on Revere Beach, the first public beach in the country. Had a good time. If you are in the area, you should definitely come and check it out, because you not regret it. So, I'm Arty84. Please leave a comment below if you have any information about anything we just seen today. Give it a thumbs up so the algorithm can like this video and share it with everyone. And until then, see you guys later from the first public beach in the United States, Revere Beach, here on this beautiful February day.